Introduction to Task Scheduler.
The Task Scheduler is a built-in Windows tool that lets you run programs and scripts automatically at specified times. With it, you can automate routine tasks, making your computer work for you, no coding skills required. Understanding how to schedule your own scripts can save you time and help your system run more smoothly.
Why automate with Task Scheduler?
Automating scripts can handle backups, clear temporary files, launch programs, and much more, all at the times you choose. This not only reduces manual work, but also helps prevent forgetting important tasks. Task Scheduler makes automation accessible to everyone, even without programming experience.
Preparing your script.
To get started, you'll need a script you want to automate. Common scripts include batch files, .bat, or PowerShell scripts, .ps1. Save your script in a memorable location. Make sure it runs correctly when you double-click it. Task Scheduler will simply automate this process for you.
Setting up a basic task.
Open Task Scheduler from the Start menu. In the right pane, choose Create Basic Task. Give your task a clear name and description. Next, select when the script should run, like daily, weekly, or at logon. Then choose Start a Program and browse to the location of your script.
Finishing and managing your task.
Review your choices and click Finish to create your task. Your script will now run automatically based on your schedule. If you need to adjust details or troubleshoot, right-click your task and select Properties. Here, you can edit triggers, actions, and conditions to better fit your needs.